Loneliness is relative to who you are.
Feeling lost is relative to where you are, or where you think you are.
Either way, we're not happy. No one ever is.
We gotta learn to accept things, accept happiness. If happiness is acceptance,
sadness must be the now, right? Say a picture's worth 1,000 words, but that's all relative to who you are, or even to where you are. See,
a picture could easily represent one or two words. One or two words like love and unity.
But those words alone are way stronger than any 1,000-word essay that I ever wrote. But I don't know. See, I think it's more complex than the original saying. Cause like when you hear words like time, I mean words like time bring a million and different emotions that all racing through my mind.
But those memories and emotion only mean something to me. But I guess that's all relative. But it's just hard to see.
It's all relative, but it's hard to see. Hey, yo, Dad, you straight? Yeah.
Going down.
Drop something.
She about to land on. Yeah, all I heard was thug music.
I love you, Maxwell.